Hello student, today we are going to study next type of positioning, that is nothing but relative positioning. At last lecture we have seen static positioning as well as fixed positioning. Before starting this positioning, we have made this document as a simple web document or HTML file having a content, something statements with heading level number 2, see here, as well as heading level number 3, a normal text or a text within heading level 2 and 3. Its output is in of see here in this browser window. So let we will see relative position theoretically what it is. From your textbook they have given a relative positioning property is used to set the element relative to its normal position. So basically what type of element HTML tags we are applying with their attributes, it is possible, no doubt, but whatever extra effects to be designed and applied in a specified manner. So we have seen in fixed positioning, see here, such a content to be effectively applicable while using such a class attribute or property. See here, we have designed this something selector come property and values as a part of fixed positioning. Here p dot fixed as a particular positioning type, position fixed, and some properties with respective values. Same way, here is the example of relative positioning. See here in this HTML file or document, within head section we have given a style container can describes as well as designs a specified positioning. See here, HTML head style, within style is container dot first. This is a effect to be designed within curly braces, position relative, it must be there, we have to describe like this. And what values they have given: top minus 10 pixel, top minus 10 pixel, right again minus 10 pixel. So these are the minus 10 pixels values for top and right are nothing but leaving a space at right side as well as on top, while minus number is there. So it comes with just after the borders of your screen or window, and within such application it should be displayed. See here, we will go through the such a effect practically also. We can define here a particular style sheet as a effect, we will design this. So it must be here a style tag, within such we can apply, so it must be properly ended. So slash style it must be there. One can apply such a selector type of values dot x, I am going to apply here as a part of style sheet as well as part of positioning. Within bracket a position to be noted like this. Position, its value is nothing but relative, as we have seen here. See here, a position must be noted, it must be there. Then after, one should go for its respective properties and relevant values also. So here is the position colon relative, Number next, a property to be designed and applied as you apply as you wish. Suppose I want to apply here top, so it sets a margin at top by leaving a space for particular content. Okay, see here, top 50 pixels. Also we have seen this effect at yesterday at previous lecture. Save this, you will get effect in browsers window. It doesn't providing such effect. Why it is? Because we haven't used this effect in any of HTML element. Normally we can use any of tag at here, no doubt. Suppose h2 tag I have applied here, so applying x as a selector as a content of position, we must have to declare here this x as a class, and it becomes like this, class equal to x. It must be there like this. Save this again, such a document in a proper manner, and you will get the effect of that. See here, a content, its a relative position is moved to next while it is overlapped on next content, that is what we have given Happy Diwali. So see again, I am going to remove this and we will check it out again, how it happens, how it will be applicable, basically how it is displayed as a normal text document, and we will check it out. Okay, see here, I am going to remove this content. Normally how it is applicable, see here, document be saved again. See here, it's a relative position as a effect of heading level number 2. I am going to apply here a class equal to x. So this class x defines what? A relative as a position value, top 50 pixels. So from this window or this border, it will be placed by leaving a space of 50 pixels. So it's a relative position. This content will be displayed in a proper location by leaving a space of 50 pixel from here, this border. So this to be saved again first, then go for this browser page. See here, first line, it's a relative positions dot dot dot, something content is displayed. Now I am going to refresh this page. Yes, it is moved to next. It is displayed while somewhat next content is overlapped by this content. We can change a value of this top. We can reduce it, or we can increase also. So I am going to increase this by 10 pixels. Now it becomes 60 pixel. Yes, refreshed. At next line it is by 60 pixels. If you want to again reduce it or increase it, it is possible. 40 pixel as a value of top margin, it is possible. See here, it is also possible. If you want to apply again something different, see here, save this again, you will get something effect like this. So it is moving of such a text in a proper manner, while these effects are nothing but class with its effects, values by pixel. one can apply something other values also, like a background color, like a text color, etc., etc. Okay, I'm going to apply again 60 pixel value as a effect of that. It should be displayed in proper manner, so I'm applying here. Now I'm going to apply next value as background color. So a property is nothing but background hyphen color as green. I'm giving a value as a color name as a green. This here, and it will be refreshed in a browser window. Yes, it's a relative positions like this. It is possible. So one can apply such type of values. Such values may be background color, text color, their alignment, as well as text decoration. It is possible. Suppose if you want to apply here now something else, it is possible. Color, a color to be given for such a text in a proper manner, it is possible, as we have seen in style sheets. Okay, see here now. Now these effects will be applicable in a browser's window. See here, it is giving a white color, text color as its possible value, and effectively to be applicable for this. Now we will study next effect in this selector as a alignment of text as well as text decoration or something else. Such effects will be applicable in this browser's window again. This browser supports everything from such particular class or a position as well as a typical style sheet also. So see here, we will get study next property with its next effect. Suppose I am going to apply next property as text decoration. Text decoration having values as overline, underline, line through. Okay, suppose I am giving here line through, line through. See here what will be happened. A line on surface of such text is appeared as its content. See here, effect is displayed. So such effect are applicable, what we have seen in this type. As like X, we can get design new selector as a part of class. It is possible again. Suppose I am going to apply dot Y as a positional selector. Its position is again same with above, that is nothing but relative, and such a properties with their respective effects will be applicable as per our expectation, as per our requirement. See here, I am going to apply a next property as letter spacing property. This property can leave a specific number of pixels space on such a particular content. Okay, see here a y named selector come class we have defined here of a type relative position, and we are going to apply this on new content. Suppose I am going to apply here on this heading level number 3. Possibly it is applicable. You can also apply for this I, that is italic tag, no doubt. See here, class equal to value of such is nothing but y. Save this at here, get refresh at here. So content within this, that is nothing but Happy Diwali, is displayed by leaving a space of 10 pixels in every character, in every alphabet, like this. Okay. Also you can apply here or design here top, left, right alignment or margin spacing. It is also possible by applying. See here, I am giving here top minus 10 as its value. So see here what will be happened. Yes, it is moved up by leaving a space of minus 10. Also we can apply for left with a 30 pixel I have applied here. Now it will be applicable in what manner, just get observed. It is moved to the right by leaving a space at here of a 30 pixel as a left 30 pixel. It is possible. Within this also you can apply letter spacing. Okay, in this content, suppose I want to apply here, it is possible. Letter spacing 10 pixels, a property within first, that is nothing but X selector, a class to be named as X, selector to be named as X, having a property additional as the letter spacing 10. So this property, this content with the letter spacing will be displayed at here. It is applicable at here and will be displayed by leaving a space. See here, save this, get refreshed. See here how interesting it is. It's a relative positions with a specific content as leaving a space of 10 pixels in every character or alphabet. How interesting it is. You can also adjust the right corner, right margins, same way how you are applied left as well as top. It is possible again. Okay, see here, right 20. I am giving a value for right as a 20 pixel for a Y selector, Y class. Where it is applicable? It is applicable in this heading level number 3. Okay, see here, I have saved this. Now we will get refresh. So it is moved basically for right. So maximum values applicable One can change font also. One can apply their size, background colors, text colors. If you wish, you can apply, no doubt, for this particular content. Within such Y selector, we have applied only letter spacing left, right, and top. While we can apply also here a text color as well as background color. See here how it is possible. Background hyphen color. Something color name will be applicable, will be displayed. I am giving here red. It is saved here. Now it will be applicable. Yes, it is. One can change text color. It is possible again. I am giving here white color for that. See here again. Yes, it is there. So whatever content you are going to apply with effect, it is possible by using any type of positions. Today we have seen a relative type of position where such a properties we have chosen. See here one by one again. Repeatedly I am going to telling. X position relative. First property, that is nothing but letter spacing with 10 pixel we have chosen. Next property, that is nothing but text decoration as a value with line through. Next property, 10 top with 70 pixels, so leaving a space of 70 pixel at top. Next property is background color with green value, and then after applying value of a text color, that is property nothing but color white. These are the multiple effects to be applicable. Next selector come class we have defined named as Y. Its position is again relative, no doubt. Background color is red, text color is white, and letter spacing property we have given with a value of 10. So these are the effects through relative positions we have studied. At next lecture we will see a next type of position, that is nothing but absolute positioning. So students, be careful using these properties and such values within such browser window whatever we have displayed, and it will get display for your browser's window. Thank you.